said someone modified the
I don't know what the
tips.
fuck he's talking about.
No, definitely not.
Okay, so what's going on here? We're piping it out, eh?
We couldn't fit the tips on, so we're just gonna stick a few pipes out the back and it's gonna look good.
That muffler is going gonzo, bud. Let's hit it. Yo, buddy. What's going on? Alright, yo, peace.
Alright, yo, see you tomorrow morning, bro.
Yeah, bro. Tomorrow morning,
It's gonna
big
be
day.
a lot louder, I'll tell you that much.
Yeah.
So, this morning, we went to a Tim Hortons, got a cold bacon egg, and we also got another guy that they messed up his order 3 times. He's about to knock someone out. But anyways, so now we got them 3 up on a hoist here, getting the muffler off, and yeah, it's gonna look good. They're gonna be chrome. Yeah. Okay.
A 3-man's working on them 3, eh?
Mm-hmm. Getting done quick.
They don't fuck around here at Zorro, eh?
Bro, Zorro, they're professionals, bro. I'm telling you.
Professional artists.
Professional.
How much is that? 50 pounds?
That's heavy, bro.
Oh my god.
I can't hear you, bro. I'm deaf. Like, I'm actually deaf. Like, you're telling me this thing isn't loud.
It's loud, what the fuck you mean?
Alright, so turn of events. Muffler delete that we did. It's too loud. So now we're at Hot Rod Scott's. You guys probably remember this place. Getting on a muffler. So here we are at Hot Rod Scott's, working on a bunch of cars. Alright, let's get a muffler on. I think I still want to drive it for a bit though. I like it.
No, I think you're gonna be happy with the Magnaflow.
Getting ripped off.
Oh, look at the lights, yo. Hit the burnout. Come on. Fat burnout. You can't leave hot rods without a burnout. Come on.